are another term for red blood cells. And our red blood cells are super specialized in transporting hemoglobin. So these function to transport hemoglobin. We're going to talk about hemoglobin a little bit later, but this is what binds oxygen. So we'll just put hemoglobin binds oxygen. When we talk about the erythrocytes, they have some interesting characteristics as they're produced by the red bone marrow, as are all blood cells in the body, but they also lack nuclei. And what this means is that they cannot reproduce. So they are replaced periodically by stem cells that are found in the red bone marrow. So blood is actually considered to be a connective tissue because it is cells within a matrix. The erythrocytes also lack mitochondria. So they do not use the oxygen that they are transporting to produce energy. So our erythrocytes have a very special structure to them. They are said to be a biconcave disc. What does that mean? It looks kind of like this, right? Two sides to it from the side. So this would be like there. So this is concave and this is concave. So some people say they look like a donut, but they actually do not have a hole in the middle. This allows them to travel easily through very small vessels called capillaries. So they travel easily in this form through small capillaries. There are some genetic diseases which make the red blood cell not properly shaped. So we'll talk about these, but say, for example, sickle cell anemia. You might have learned about this in your cell biology class, the genetic component of it. And this makes the red blood cells turn into a sickle shape. And then they clog up the capillaries and they cause all kinds of problems. There's also another one where the red blood cells are a sphere shaped, like maybe like a ball. And this is called hereditary spherocytosis. Sphere, that's an R. Spherocytosis. And that is another condition which makes these red blood cells clog up the capillaries, and that is a very bad thing. So the shape of the red blood